Hi, I'm Moses.
Hi, I'm Scott.
We're from GuitarChimp.com, and today we're going to be checking out the Vitriol by Mantic Conceptuals. I'll be playing a 2014 Gibson Les Paul Custom Purple Widow.
And I'm going to be playing a 2010 Pedula Thunderbass 5-string.
I'll be playing through a high-watt, 100-watt David Gilmour Signature.
What do you think? Should I just play through the Ampeg B15 Portaflex?
I think that's probably the best idea.
I think I will.
So it's pretty heavy. Let's check it out.
This pedal is pretty straightforward, right? It's got a distortion, a level, a high, and a low. Neat thing about this pedal though is it does have a out and a dry. So you can send out a clean signal as well as your wet signal from your distortion. I saw this pedal originally on Juan Alderet's pedals and effects demos, and I just so happened to bump shoulders with him while I was at Mantic's table this year at NAMM. And it was a great experience for me. We got to talk about it for a while. I got my picture with him. And then later when I saw him, he only kind of forgot me. But you can swing by guitarchimp.com, check out this pedal and all the other cool effects that we have. Check us out on YouTube, where you're watching us right now probably. Click the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and tell your friends about us, because I like friends a lot more than you think I do. Peace. No!